Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're diving into a super useful topic, how to change your Netflix region on your Mac. It's easier than you think. Just a heads up before we start, this is based on my own experience, and I'll be using IPVanish VPN for this tutorial. You can find a link with a special discount in the description below and the pinned comment. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get a VPN installed on your Mac. I'm going to be using IPVanish, but feel free to use your favorite. To download IPVanish, open your web browser and search for it, or just use the link I've included below. Once you're on their site, hover over Apps in the navigation bar and click on the Mac option. On the Mac download page, hit Download App. Choose where you want to save the installer. I'm putting mine on the desktop. Once downloaded, open the installer. You'll see the IPVanish logo. Simply drag and drop that logo into your Applications folder. It might take a few seconds to install depending on your Mac speed. After IPVanish is installed, you can close the installer and even delete it from your desktop if you want. Now, let's open IPVanish. I'm going to do that through Launchpad. Since it's the first time opening it, you'll probably get a security prompt. Just click Open. This will take you to the IPVanish login screen. Enter your account details. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, now is the time to snag that discount I mentioned. The link's in the description and pinned comment. When you log in for the first time, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration. Just click Allow. Great. Now you can start using the VPN. For our example today, we want to change our Netflix region. So open your web browser, go to Netflix, sign in, and choose your profile. Now a little tip, this method doesn't always work as reliably on Safari, which is why I'm using Google Chrome. At the moment, I'm in the UK, so I'm on the UK version of Netflix. But I want to access the US version.
Minimize your browser and open IPVanish.
Go to the Locations tab on the left-hand side. Choose a US server. There are a bunch of them, so pick one that's closest to you geographically. I'm going to select Boston. It'll connect in a few seconds. Once it's successfully connected, your internet will think you're browsing from that country. Once connected, minimize the VPN window and go back to your web browser and refresh the Netflix page. Boom. As you can see, we're now in a different region of Netflix. If I scroll down, it now says Top 10 TV Programs in the US today. Just select the show you want to watch, and you can start streaming like normal. And that's it.
Super easy, right?
Don't forget to click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get that exclusive discount on IPVanish. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.